Oh, I'm gonna be somebody someday, just wait is what I said.
Hello, tita. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come po. Stay happy and healthy.
It's funny how we forget. Every set of eyes was like a spotlight shining down from the heavens. We gave it everything we had. Not the best, but we weren't bad. I've been
Happy 60th birthday, Mama. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo sana humaba pa yung life mo and wish ko lang sa'yo, lagi kang malusog at lagi kang masaya. Ayun lang, Ma.
And I know you will be riding shotgun in my car for the getaway, cutting through the brake lights on my head. And even though all is lost, I'm lost with you and I'm fighting every step that I can turn the page. Still you say trust me on the same. And even though all is lost, I'm lost with you. You say you can keep watch by the road I'm pulling up.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to. And ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi ka lang healthy and humaba pa ang life mo para mas makasama ka pa namin ng mas matagal. Happy birthday! I love you, Ma.
I can see the headlights in the distance closing in on us now. A voice above us calling down. Both hands on the ground.
Happy birthday, anak. Wish you more birthday to come. Long life, good health. God bless you always. Anak, salamat sa mga tulong na naibibigay mo sa amin, sa iyong kapamilya. Kung hindi sa iyo, hindi nagbago ang buhay namin.
And I know you will be riding shotgun in my car for the getaway, cutting through the brake lights on my head. And even though
And I just want to bid you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. In behalf of my family, we love you dearly.
And even though all is lost, I'm lost with you.
Sana hindi ka magbago, anak. Salamat sa mga binibigay mo sa amin na tulong, lalong-lalo na sa mga pamangkin mo na nag-aaral. Sana hindi ka magbago, anak. And God bless us all. Maraming salamat.
I can see the headlights in the distance closing in on us now. A voice above us calling down. Both hands on the ground.
Wala na akong masabi kundi happy birthday, my dearest BFF. Continue to bloom. You start blooming and more happiness and fruitful years ahead of you. Cheers to more fruitful years. Love you.
And I know you will be riding shotgun in my car for the getaway, cutting through the brake lights on my head.
Napakabuti mo. Una, noon pa, nagkaisip ka. Ang una mong inisip lahat ay sa pamilya para makatulog ka. Hindi ka selfish.
Still you say you trust me on the same. And even though all is lost, I'm lost with you. I'm lost with you, but
Hello, Ma. I can't believe you already turned 60 this year. Time flies so fast that I can't believe. I just felt like it was yesterday when you were just carrying me as a child. I want to thank you actually for everything that you've done for me, our family, and to everyone that you care about, especially kami mga anak mo. Even though sometimes I know we're hard to deal with, kahit madami kang hardships na napagkadaanan, you really show how much you care for us by being there and always showing support.
shotgun in my car for the getaway, cutting through the brake lights on my head.
Ang lagi namin pinag-pray sa'yo, basta gawin mo lang lahat ng mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, ma'am. Yun. Celebrate life, yun nga, di ba, ma'am, ang theme ng birthday mo today. Happy birthday. I love you, ma'am.
ikaw ang gumawa. Katuwang ka ng mga anak mo sa pagbuo ng kwento nila. Sa pamilya mo, sa aming lahat, kasama ka sa pagbuo ng kwento namin. Ngayon, te, dahil 60 ka na, panahon na para ikaw naman ang bumuo ng kwento mo. Happy birthday!
I hope we never find our way. I hope we never hit the brakes. And even when all that we know,
Ang wish ko lang is for you to stay happy and healthy and enjoy your life during your retirement.
'cause I know you will be riding shotgun in my car for the getaway, cutting through the brake lights silent. And even though all is lost, I'm lost with you and I'm fighting every step that I can.
Stay cool at wala ng stress and be healthy kasi yun ang puhunan natin sa next chapter na pupuntahan mo.
I'm lost with you. I'm lost with you.
A long life for you, so makapag-spend pa tayo ng time together because I just want you to know that I'll always be there. I always love you, and if you ever need any support, I'll be there.